All right, guys, pretty sure I found the noise. The BMR upper torque box reinforcements. I had to remove, I'm sorry, I'm doing this one-handed, trying to hold the phone. Sorry, guys. But I had to move this bracket that was screwed up here. If you see that was in the way. And I had it lightly zip tied here, but the zip tie broke, so I think this is our noise we had hitting bumps was for the brake hose. So I'm going to secure this better and put a rubber, I want to put a little rubber stopper on the back and then zip tie this firmly to the bar there and see if that takes care of our issue. So it wasn't anything with the torque boxes. I appreciate everybody. I'm glad I got on here and checked, but all the torque boxes and everything is all fine. The joints are good. There's no play in the rear end. It was just, you hit a bump and it was. So let's get this secured up and go from there. And again, here's all of these torque boxes and everything are fine. We do have torque box reinforcements upper and lower, so we haven't torn anything out of there. So anyway, I think that's our issue, guys. This was like this because it wouldn't, if you see where the holes originally were, I had to undo this to get the crossbar in for the upper torque mount. So I just lightly zip tied it here, and I think the zip tie had broken, so it was. So we're going to try that and go from there. All right, guys, thank you.